Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for WP Sync. Now this goes live on the 11th of August at 11 AM Eastern Standard. Now there's a webinar happening on the 11th of August at 10 AM. So make sure that you opt in for this, because this will show you why you need this app. So just click lock in my unbeatable bonus. It'll take you across to the opt-in page for the webinar. Join that webinar. Make sure that you're on that webinar. If you purchase on that webinar, you will get my amazing bonus. Now there's two front-end prices for this. You can get like kind of the light version at 47 or the full bundle version at 147. So it's $100 more. Now I've got bonuses for both. So if you have a little look down here, you can see it says let's compare your two choices. You've got WP Sync Core, $47, tells you all about that. Then it tells you about the bonuses, and that's everything you get there for $47. Or if you get the WP Sync Complete bundle, get that at $147. So you get everything that you get on the front end, plus the extra bonuses, the extra connections, and everything else as well. So it's an amazing deal. Now, what is WP Sync? Now, this is an app that everyone who does any type of marketing online should be buying. Okay? Doesn't matter whether you're starting out or been going for a while. This is something that you will need, and it will help you do better marketing. It will help you build your list better, engage your list better, and everything else. So, you know, even if you think, well, no, this is not a gimmicky AI or anything like that. This is a real tool that real marketers should be buying. Now, I use a tool very similar to this. I'm going to be cancelling that subscription. I'll show you that in a moment. And I will be purchasing this. Now, I'm going to be buying the bundled one at $147, one-time payment. Now, I use a program called Pabbly. And you can see here, I pay $19 a month. Okay, it's every month. You can see I've been paying that for a long, long time. Now, it's only $240 a year, but I can pay this at $147, so I save $100 this year anyway, and I get more connections in this than I do in Pabbly. Okay, so this is something that you need. You believe me, if you're marketing online, you need this app. Now, take a look at my bonuses. I guarantee they won't be beat. You can shop around if you want, but I've got a bonus for the front end and a bonus for the bundle, both available on the sales page tomorrow, 11 AM Eastern Standard. Make sure that you're on that webinar. Now, also, I have a ton of free downloads right at the bottom of this page. As you can see, it's a huge offer here. Get right to the bottom because it is a big bonus, this. Go right down here, and your free downloads start here. Okay, so start here, right down here, right to the bottom. Okay, now those are only available for 24 hours. They get removed when the product goes live. So if you want access to those free downloads, make sure that you get them. Make sure that you lock in your place on that webinar, because they're going to walk you through everything, and you'll see exactly how powerful this tool is. Lock it in on the webinar and lock in my bonus as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.